Did you know there are construction workers making $400 an hour while their co-workers make 15? Same job site, same hard hat, completely different world. Carlos found this out the hard way in 2021. He's laying concrete when these guys show up with a $50,000 box. Radioactive warning stickers all over it. Everyone stops working. These specialists test the concrete density. 20 minutes later, they're gone. Carlos asks around. Turns out improper concrete density causes building collapses. Any project over $1 million legally requires these nuclear gauge operators. The kicker? There are only 200 certified operators in his entire region. While Carlos made $35,000 a year breaking his back, these guys commanded premium rates because contractors couldn't risk structural failure. Weekend emergency testing, $800 an hour. The equipment literally contains radioactive material. The training is intense. The liability is massive. But the opportunity? Carlos got certified, built exclusive contracts with major construction companies. Now he makes over $350,000 annually. Same industry, different positioning. Nobody talks about nuclear density gauge operation, but maybe they should.